In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change resolution in Figma. We'll walk through two practical approaches: exporting at different scales for clean output, and using a plugin to enhance image quality when you need more detail. Start by opening your design in Figma. Make sure the file and page you want are active. Keep in mind, zoom level doesn't change the final output. What matters is what you select and how you export it. First, let's adjust resolution through Export Settings. Click to select the image or the frame you want to export. Selecting a frame will include everything inside it. Selecting a single image targets just that layer. Look to the right-hand sidebar and scroll to the bottom to find the export section. If it's collapsed, expand it so you can see the controls. Click the plus button to add an export setting. You'll see a drop-down for scale. This is where you choose the resolution. Pick a value like 2x for high-resolution output, or 0.5x if you need a smaller, lighter image. These numbers are multipliers of your design's original size. Vector elements will stay crisp at higher scales, while raster images can soften if you push the scale too far beyond their native size. When you are set, click Export to save the new version to your computer. Choose a destination you'll remember and let Figma render the file. Now, if you need to enhance an image's clarity beyond simple scaling, you can use a plugin. Open the plugin search by pressing Ctrl+/. In the quick search, type AI Image Upscaler. Select the image you want to improve, then open the AI Image Upscaler plugin. Inside the plugin, choose your upscaling level: 2x, 4x, or even 8x. Higher values produce larger, more detailed images. But they also take longer to process and can increase file size. If you are working with portraits, enable options like Face Enhance to preserve facial details more naturally. When your settings look good, click Upscale or Apply. The plugin will generate a new high-resolution version of your image. It may place the result on top of your original or in the same frame. So review it at 100% zoom to confirm the improvement and replace the old layer if needed. That's it. Thanks for watching.